Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan broth. Creating your own delicious vegetable broth at home is incredibly rewarding and surprisingly easy. It's a fundamental building block for countless plant-based meals, adding depth and richness without any animal products. We'll cover everything from selecting the best ingredients to simmering it to perfection, ensuring you have a versatile base for soups, stews, and sauces. Let's get started on this flavorful journey. For a robust vegan broth, begin with a classic mirepoix: 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion, roughly chopped. These provide a sweet and savory foundation. Next, incorporate aromatics like 3 to 4 garlic cloves and a couple of bay leaves for an extra layer of complexity. Don't forget fresh herbs such as parsley stems and a few thyme sprigs. They contribute a wonderful, bright flavor profile to your broth. Once your ingredients are prepped, combine them in a large pot and cover with about 8 cups of cold water. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook uncovered for at least 1 hour or up to 2 hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. After simmering, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down on the solids to extract every last drop of delicious liquid. Discard the cooked vegetables. After your broth has cooled completely, transfer it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next culinary creation. For longer storage, freeze it in ice cube trays or freezer-safe bags. It's good for up to 3 months. This versatile broth is perfect for soups, risottos, gravies, or even cooking grains. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.